Hey guys, my name is Thana and welcome to my channel. Behind me here, I have the DB11, the V8 version of it. And I don't have an Aston Martin t-shirt, but I do have a Mercedes one, an AMG. And I'll tell you shortly why the AMG and the Aston Martin have got roots deep down under. So let's get cracking with this video. So let's get inside the DB11 V8. Getting in, you are greeted to this wonderful door sill over here. This obviously is not wood as you get the normal DB11. This is carbon fiber, guys, actual carbon fiber. Imagine a whole piece of carbon fiber for your door sill, just to give you that extra refined look, you know. Today, carbon fiber is not about losing weight, it's about being refined and it's smooth to touch. Fantastic. And if you see here, this looks like anodized aluminium or metal, I'm not sure what these are, but it feels as if it's milled or something or forged. But these are the part of the blackout package. So this is black, for example. The air vents here, they are black and they're very nice to touch. And if you go inside, a lot of black chrome finish to it. Even here, if you see, these are actually not chrome but more of a black chrome finish. So let's investigate and see what we have here. So again, that is the premium Aston Martin sound system, which is part of the 80,000 ringgit package. You've got over here lights controls. As with any continental cars, you got, this is where you go and control your light system, automatic, you know, headlights, side lights, parking lights. Okay, this again is to adjust the brightness of your display, push out, up or down, very European. Even an Audi you'll get that. Here, this is the parking brake, as you can see there. Let me focus for you. And over here, over here is where you press to open the big huge bonnet in front there, and we will go have a look at the clamshell later. But let's see what's inside here. So on the dash itself, it's very simple. Aston Martin, it reminds you you're an Aston Martin. Thank you for that, Aston Martin. And I think, well, I can't start the car, but I think this is the RPM. It gives you a RPM gauge opposed to giving you a speedometer. Speedometer should be somewhere in the side there. You've got your temperature gauge as well as your fuel gauge on the left there. Going down, you have controls for your sport and controls for your dampening. So if you want to go racing or racier, what you do is you press this and this will give you your dampening options. This will give you your sport mode option, or maybe your GT cruising mode, home, back, call. And over here, this is to mute, and this is to activate voice dialing and to end the call. And in the center here you have this beautiful, let me just focusing for you. You have the beautiful Aston Martin logo there. Fantastic, fantastic, you know. So center console, as with any other Aston Martin, you have here the start stop, and this is again where you press your parking, your reverse, your start stop, neutral and D. And I'll just zoom in for a while. I'm not sure if you can see this, but the logo is quite pronounced there. Aston Martin start stop, very beautiful. Okay, let's get out. Down here you have your climate control. Yep. Oh yeah, very easy to use, I guess. You know, the idea is you're driving this car to experience the drive, not about anything else. So again, beautiful controls. Down here, this to me reminds me of the Mercedes, because you know what, this is off the Mercedes actually. This comes with the technology package, which gives you again the ability to go there and scroll to say call Thana, T-H-A-N-A, and then it will call for you. And over here you've got your knobs there for you to push left, push right, up and down, and also to turn. Nice. Down here, that's an interesting looking button there. What do you think it does? Well, this here, my dear friend, is your center console. You put your compartment for your, I guess, your phone, your wallet and stuff. When you press this dial here, and this again, I have no idea why, this is motorized. The one thing though is, can you hear that? Yeah, the motor is quite loud actually. I'm not sure why. All reviews I've seen on in foreign media also have that loud noise buzzing there. Inside we've got, you know, your SD as well as 2 USB. Let's close this up. And this is annoying. You press here. Oh, it does. It's one touch. It's one touch. Nope, it's one touch. Close, I believe. No, it's not one touch. You gotta press and hold all the way in. What else do we have? Well, one of the feature about the Aston Martin is the stitching. They've got this thing called the celestial perforation. Let me just zoom in for you here over here. Yeah, so this perforation, they call it the celestial perforation. It goes all the way here and it goes and follows the lines across the car. And it's not easy to make perforations that will follow the line, because as you stitch, as you pull, this might actually go one way or the other. So try to get this perforation right. It's no easy task. And they've got this, I believe they call it the Nexus quilting, I believe that's what it's called. Over here you've got lots of leather, obviously this being a British marquee. You've got leather all around, so let me just show you here if I can. So over here you've got suede, I believe. Here you got your polished leather, again red and red stitching on black leather, and red suede and red leather. And you've got what must be the world's smallest vanity mirror. But you know what, one second, let's zoom in for you. The lighting is so awful here. Okay, I can't. Let me just, yeah, let me just get out and show you the light here. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see this. It's quite dark in here, but let me try again. Let me try to go to the other side. Open this up. Let me show you from this side. Yeah, it's more light here. Okay. So you can see there, it's really red. And as you open this up, you've got this small little, I still can't see it. Just try a different view. Yeah, can you see that? Now, that's how small it is. Sorry guys, the lighting is so bad here, I can't show you the rearview mirror. But again, you do get to see the beautiful leather here. Look at that. That's beautiful. Behind you do get seats. Very nice. Obviously, red leather. Sorry, red. I'm just speechless, man. I talk a lot. So beautiful. As with Aston Martin, controls are on this side. It's not on the door. And the side profile. By now you'd have seen that the back actually hunches out quite a bit. What happens is if you're driving the car, you get to see the hunch on the side mirror. Beautiful. As promised, let's open the clamshell here. There's a button there. Yep. It knocks over. and I believe you open from this side. This is actually pretty light, obviously, but there are struts here to help you to open them over here, and this fantastic mechanism there. Unlike other cars, there are no covers here. Everything is exposed to the element, and like an AMG GT, as you can see there, it has the who built this logo there. Louis, what's his name? Louis Carell, that's his name. Yep. All exposed, all to see. Just like how a true sports car should be. Fantastic. Twin turbos, obviously, as you can see there. This is the 4-liter twin turbo. You got one exhaust there and one intake. So one intake there, one intake here. 2 air boxes going in the front. The top bit here, that's the air in. It goes to air box there and comes in to the turbo. Beautiful. Even opened, the car looks so beautiful.